Student, today is the subject accountancy. We will learn chapter 5 subsidiary book. In the previous class, we will explain the meaning of sales book, and today's we will explain the practical exercises. Okay. बैक क्वेश्चन 4 मैंने बताया था कि सेल्स बुक जिसमें केवल क्रेडिट परचेस का ही हम क्रेडिट सोल्ड का ही एंट्री करेंगे, कैश सेल्स, एसेस्ट सेल्स, इसकी एंट्री हम सेल्स बुक में नहीं करेंगे। तो यहाँ पर एक्सरसाइज 5 सेल्स बुक। प्रिपेयर सेल्स बुक फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग पर्टिकुलर 2006 March 1 sold goods on Radhe 500, sold goods to Nayan on 10% trading discount at 1500, sold goods to Kamal 1500, sold goods to Rima, and at last 15th March sold goods for cash to Rohan rupees 1000. Actually 15th March sold goods for cash to Rohan 1000. This entry is not entered in the sales book because it is cash sales. So first sales book, the pro forma of sales book, date, particular, invoice number, LF, detail of amount and the net amount. First sold to Radhe. Radhe, detail amount 500 and the net amount is also 500. Then next 2nd March sold goods to Nayan at 10% trading discount rupees 1500. Sold goods to Nayan 1500 less 10% TD trading discount. So 15,000 10% TD is 150. 1500 less 150 is equal to net amount is 1350. Okay. Then 4th March sold goods to Kamal, no trading discount, to Kamal, detail amount 2500 and the net amount is also 2500. Then next sold goods to Rima. To Rima, detail amount is 500. Okay. Then last 15th sold goods for cash to Rohan, that is not entered in the sales book because it is cash sales. Total net amount राधे 500, नयन 1500 में TD लेस 1350, टू कमल 2500 एंड टू रीमा 500. एक्चुअली टोटल सेल्स इज 4850. ओके, ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 प्रैक्टिकल एक्सरसाइज. देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 सेल्स बुक. राइट अप द सेल्स बुक फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग. 2003 1st of January sold to Messrs Rasmi and Company on the term of 10% trading discount. Silk cloth 200, woolen cloth 400 and cotton cloth is 100. Okay, Messrs Rasmi and Company sales book, date, particular, invoice number, LF, detail amount and the net amount. First is sold Messrs Rasmi and Company. Messrs Rasmi and Company silk sarees 200, woolen cloth 400 and a cotton cloth 100. Actually total amount is 700. 700 10% TD. 700 into 10 by 100. Actually 70 rupees is a trading discount. 700 detail amount minus less 70 rupees trade discount. Actually net amount is 630. Okay. Then January 15 sold goods to Messrs Meenakshi cloth sarees follows trade discount at a 15%. Cotton cloth is 200, woolen cloth is 500 and the silk cloth is 200. Okay. 15th January Messrs Meenakshi cloth sarees, cotton cloth 200, woolen cloth 500 and the silk cloth 200. Actually 200, 500 and 200 is total amount 900. Meenakshi cloth sarees total sales amount is 900 less 15% trading discount. 900 into 15 by 100 0 0 0 0 15 into 9 135 is the trading discount. 900 minus 135, actually the net amount is 765. 1395 is a net amount. Okay. Today we will explain two questions. First is exercise 5 and the second is exercise 6. Okay. Exercise 5, sold goods direct 500, sold to Nayan 1500 में TD 10% less 1350, sold goods to Kamal, sold goods to Rima, sold goods to Rohan that is not entered in the sales book. ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 एक्सरसाइज. Then question number 5. Then next question number 6. Okay. Today we will explain the two questions of sales book. Practice exercise question number 5 and question number 6. Thank you.